Morning, Coach.
Morning.
I wanted to tell you, I woke up at 2 in the morning California time, and I bought BTTX, and I did not understand. I thought it said like 15 cents instead of $1.50 or whatever it was, like 114 or something.
Yep.
And I just bought 100 of it, and then I went to sleep, and I woke up. I was like, how do I have like such a huge loss on this? In any case, I was down probably about 30% on my account,
Oh,
and
wow.
I managed to come out. I managed to come out about 1% down, which is just testament to like all the stuff you teach, and just staying keeping your hands off the mouse, not panicking, just
Yeah.
breathing, just going through it. I just want to give you props for that. Say thanks.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Good job. Yeah, BTTX. Let me pull it up on the big screen. Yeah, so this morning it had a mass. So when you said that, I thought you got in this pop at 4. And I was like, yeah, because if you would have got in, when you said you got up at 4 o'clock. So I thought you got in, which was here, and rode it to here. And I was like, yeah.
No, I was sleep trading, Coach. It was not good.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. Don't worry. But good job, man. Way to fight it back, huh? That's huge.
Oh man, I thank you. I was just like, don't panic. I just keep telling myself it's okay if you take a loss, just learn from the thing.
That's right.